This is Eddie with Dent. Here's an example of a push for paint or push for filler. Not everybody's looking for perfect. A lot of times I would shy away from these unless it was going straight to a body shop. But this truck has a lot of issues. Um, One of the first is delamination. This is one of the peelers. I think this is like a 2006 Chevy truck. But I mean, again, the owner's not looking for perfect. Up top, there's some buckles up top, some displacement areas. It travels all the way down. I even kind of think that the owner got in there and started pushing by the shape of the dent. It's kind of odd. Once we got inside, I could tell that the door panel had been ripped off and so on and so forth. But anyway, this is a good example. At a glance, it looks good. It matches the truck. Is it perfect? No. Did it need to be perfect? Did we tell the customer it was going to be perfect? No, no, and no. But overall, it's a good repair. It doesn't look like somebody just ran into a pole. With that said, if you have anything you'd like us to improve, or eventually it's going to be going to the body shop and having like a full paint job like this one, where they just need it to look a little bit better or drivable, give me a call. This is Eddie with the Dent Devils, 619-726-6767. Mobile to your home or office. Take care. Bye.